Imagine a giant rock from space bigger than a skyscraper hurtling towards Earth. This isn't just a scene from a blockbuster movie, it's a real scenario that scientists at NASA and other space agencies around the world are constantly monitoring. These space rocks, known as asteroids, are remnants from the early days of our solar system, and they can vary greatly in size. Some are as small as pebbles, while others can be miles wide. NASA scientists are always on the lookout for these celestial objects. They use powerful telescopes and advanced technology to track the paths of asteroids, predicting their trajectories and assessing any potential threat to Earth. This isn't a science fiction movie, it's a scenario NASA scientists think about every day. They have dedicated teams working around the clock to ensure that we are prepared for any eventuality. Asteroids, leftover building blocks from the early solar system, zoom around our sun. These rocky bodies have been orbiting the sun for billions of years, and occasionally, their paths might intersect with Earth's. When this happens, the results can be spectacular, and sometimes dangerous. Sometimes their paths might intersect with Earth's. While most of these space rocks are small and burn up harmlessly in our atmosphere, some are large enough to make it through and cause significant damage. The impact of a large asteroid could be catastrophic, leading to widespread destruction and loss of life. While most asteroids are small and burn up in our atmosphere, some are big enough to cause serious damage. The energy released during an impact can be equivalent to multiple nuclear bombs, and the resulting shockwaves can cause extensive damage over a wide area. In 2013, a relatively small asteroid exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, shattering windows and injuring over 1,000 people. This event was a stark reminder of the potential dangers posed by these space rocks. The explosion released energy equivalent to about 30 atomic bombs, and the shockwave was felt for miles around. It was a wake-up call to the potential dangers lurking in space. Since then, efforts to track and study asteroids have intensified. Scientists are developing new methods to deflect or destroy potentially hazardous asteroids before they can reach Earth. The goal is to ensure that we are never caught off guard by these celestial threats. The impact of a large asteroid could be devastating. Depending on its size and speed, it could release energy equivalent to thousands of atomic bombs. A direct hit on a city could obliterate it entirely. Even if an asteroid lands in the ocean, it wouldn't be harmless. A massive tsunami could be generated, causing widespread flooding and destruction in coastal areas. The dust and debris thrown up into the atmosphere could block sunlight, leading to global cooling and affecting agriculture. Thankfully, we're not defenseless against these cosmic threats. In fact, humanity has been preparing for such scenarios for decades. The vastness of space holds many secrets, and among them are asteroids that could pose a threat to our planet. But with the combined efforts of space agencies, we are better equipped than ever to detect and mitigate these dangers. NASA and other space agencies around the world are actively working to find and track potentially hazardous asteroids. These organizations collaborate, sharing data and resources to ensure that no stone is left unturned. The global effort is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together for the common good. They use powerful telescopes to scan the skies, looking for faint points of light that move against the background of stars. These telescopes are equipped with advanced technology, allowing astronomers to detect even the smallest objects that might be on a collision course with Earth. The process is meticulous and requires constant vigilance. These observations allow scientists to determine an asteroid's orbit and predict its future path. By analyzing the data collected, they can calculate the likelihood of an impact and the potential consequences. This information is crucial for developing strategies to deflect or destroy the asteroid before it reaches our planet. If an asteroid is found to be on a collision course with Earth, even decades in advance, we have time to prepare and take action. This might involve sending a spacecraft to nudge the asteroid off its path, or using other innovative techniques to prevent a catastrophic impact. The key is early detection and coordinated response, ensuring that we can protect our planet from these cosmic threats. In 2022, NASA's DART mission successfully changed the trajectory of a small asteroid moonlet called Dimorphos. This was a test run, demonstrating our ability to nudge an asteroid off course if we need to. The more asteroids we discover and track, the better prepared we are. It's like having a neighborhood watch for the entire planet, keeping an eye out for anything suspicious coming our way. Several methods have been proposed to deflect an asteroid heading towards Earth. The idea of redirecting a massive space rock might seem daunting, but with the right technology and planning, it is within the realm of possibility. One idea is to use a spacecraft to impact the asteroid like a cosmic billiard ball, altering its speed and direction. This method, known as a kinetic impactor, involves sending a high-speed spacecraft to collide with the asteroid, transferring momentum and nudging it onto a different trajectory. Another option is to use a gravity tractor, a spacecraft that would fly close to the asteroid for an extended period, slowly pulling it off course with its gravitational pull. This method relies on the gravitational attraction between the spacecraft and the asteroid, allowing for a more controlled and gradual deflection. These techniques might sound like science fiction, but they are based on sound physics and are actively being researched and developed. Scientists and engineers around the world are working tirelessly to refine these methods, ensuring that we have viable options to protect our planet from potential asteroid impacts. The future of planetary defense is not just a theoretical exercise, it is a critical field of study that could one day save humanity from a catastrophic event. Planetary defense is a global endeavor. International collaboration is crucial for sharing information, coordinating observations, and developing deflection strategies. We all share the same planet, and protecting it from asteroid threats is a responsibility we share. By investing in research, technology, and international cooperation, we can ensure that Earth has a robust planetary defense system, capable of protecting future generations from these cosmic hazards. As our understanding of asteroids and our technological capabilities advance, we can expect to see even more innovative planetary defense strategies emerge. Space-based telescopes will improve our ability to detect and track asteroids, while new propulsion systems will enable faster and more efficient deflection missions. The future of planetary defense is bright. By working together, we can ensure that Earth remains a safe and habitable planet for billions of years to come.